Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is India adds 4 unique spices to GI list. YN News. India has recently added 4 unique spices from Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Kerala to its geographical indication list. The 4 spices are Amravati, Pipali, long pepper from Maharashtra, Warangal Chatpata chili from Telangana, Virudhunagar Samba Vatal chili from Tamil Nadu and Thaladan Grambu clove from Kerala. This recognition by the GI Registry Government of India is expected to preserve the uniqueness of these spices, benefiting local farmers by ensuring better market value for their produce. Warangal Chatpata chili from Telangana. Known as tomato chili due to its tomato-like appearance, this spice has earned its GI tag after 80 years of civilization in the Warangal region. It is famous for its bright red color and mild spiciness, making it ideal for pickles and as a natural food coloring. Its Scoville heat unit rating ranges from 3100 to 6500, offering a gentle heat. The unique soil and climate of Warangal contribute significantly to its distinct taste. Virudhunagar Samba Vatal, Tamil Nadu. This sun-dried chili variety grown in the Virudhunagar region is known for its deep red color and pungent taste. The chili has a high capsaicin content of 0.24%, making it spicier than the Guntur Sanam variety. The GI tag is expected to boost its recognition in both domestic and international markets, benefiting farmers. Amravati Pipali, Maharashtra. Known as long pepper, Amravati Pipali is highly valued for its medicinal properties, especially in Ayurveda for treating respiratory and digestive issues. The GI tag will protect its authenticity and enhance its market appeal, benefiting farmers in the Amravati region. Thaladan Grambu, clove, Kerala. Thaladan Grambu is a fragrant clove variety from Kerala's spice belt. It is known for its intense fragrance and medicinal benefits, making it highly prized in both culinary and medicinal industries. The GI status will protect the spice's uniqueness and promote sustainable farming in the region. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following statements about the Virudhunagar Samba Vatal chili from Tamil Nadu is correct? It is a sun-dried variety with a capsaicin content of 0.24%. It has a Scoville heat unit rating of 3100 to 6500. It is primarily used in making natural food coloring, or it has a milder taste compared to other Indian chili varieties. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.